Hey everybody, what's up? On this video, let's find out which are the 4 sales funnel stages that you need to have to make a lot of money online. Hey guys, what's up? Hernan Vazquez here and welcome to another video, and thank you once again for watching these videos. And I get a lot of these question over and over again on the Facebook group and in the comments below. What are the 4 main sales funnel stages, right? How I set up a sales funnel, what are the best steps and whatnot. And the reality is that when you start digging in a little bit into the sales funnel universe, you can find these super complex, super deep sales funnels with chatbots and Zapier and scripts and whatnot. And it can be kind of overwhelming, right? I know how you feel, I've been there. And the reality is that you want to get to the money as fast as possible. All right, you want to get a return on the investment almost instantly, if not a break even, but you want to get there as fast as possible. So the simpler your sales funnel is, the quicker you will get there. You can get all fancy at another stage, you can get all fancy with chatbots and this and that and SMS and a lot of different little things that will increase a little bit the conversions, but the reality is that once you have the infrastructure in place of your sales funnel, then it's way easier to make money, okay? And then you only need to make some tweaks. So that's exactly the topic, and the objective of this video is to actually show you the 4 main stages of a sales funnel to actually make money. And the way I do it is I like to keep it super simple initially, and then I build out of that, all right? So step number 1, if you guys have been following me for a while, I know you guys know that I'm a big fan of Optins, okay? In fact, I have a video that's gonna pop up somewhere around here about the best how to get unlimited lead magnets ideas, okay? So I'm gonna link that video somewhere in the description. It's gonna pop up over here. So the first step is the opt-in, okay? So you have the opt-in, which again could be, a simple cheat sheet, a video tutorial, whatever. It can be a coupon if you're doing brick and mortar. It can be, a free something if you're doing a local business, etc., etc. So this is like, let me change the color, right? Because we have colors, let's use them, right? So this is like stage number 1 or step number 1 of your sales funnel, okay? Now, this is by far, in my opinion, the most important step of the whole funnel, because this will be the entry, the gateway to your funnel, okay? If people are not opting in, they will not see the remaining steps. So this is why it's so important that you get an abundance of ideas pretty much every day. And again, go ahead and watch that video because that's really a cool video. It's completely free and it's somewhere around here, and you will get an abundance and unlimited lead magnets ideas. So this is the first stage, okay? The opt-in. Now the next stage is the sales page. So what I do in order to justify that I'm sending people into a sales page from an opt-in is to say something like, at the top of the page, say something like, thank you, your free stuff is on its way. In the meantime, read this message below. And then I have the sales page of the product that I'm selling, okay? Usually, this is something that I'm experimenting a lot. Usually what I do have is a low entry product, like a low entry offer, like a $7 product or a $5 product. Like it's called a tripwire. If you go, for example, to digitalmarketer.com and you opt in for any of those, whatever lead magnet that they're offering to you, they have really cool offers right after you opt in, okay? Now, the way we do this is that the main point of a tripwire or for low entry offer is to actually turn a free opt-in, people that opted in here, into a buyer, okay? And even if they are giving you $5, that has a huge psychological impact on your prospect, okay? So the prospect, just by doing that, increases its value like 10 times, okay? So this is the second stage of a sales funnel or sales funnel stage number 2. So once you have that, you have the sales page. Now what you want to have is some sort of order form, okay? So an order form, boom. So this is sales funnel stage number 3, boom. Now, a lot of people do not pay attention to the order form. And this is one of the most important steps of the funnel. You can have great copy, you can have, an amazing lead magnet, but if your order form sucks, you will not get the orders that you're looking for, okay? So this needs to work every day, 365 days a year, 24/7, because you want this to be your own money generation funnel, right? You want this to be producing income for your company every day. So this needs to work, right? This needs to work no matter what. And not only that, people need to be able to order from their cell phone, from their computer, from their tablet. So make sure that that's the case, okay? If you have an order form that can only be done on the desktop, you're leaving money on the table. If it doesn't work on mobile, you're leaving money on the table, etc., etc. Okay, so this is super important. And then you have the thank you page. Okay, the thank you page, which actually delivers the thing that you promise on the sales page. Okay, so this is sales funnel stage number 4. All right, guys, and this is really, really important too, because people are excited at this point. All right, they're excited. They have been through your opt-in. They probably consume it or not, whatever. But they've been through the sales page. They order your product. They spend money with your company. The first experience that they have needs to be mind-blowing. So the more value you can add here, the better. Okay, the first experience that somebody has with your company has to be amazing, even if they're a first customer, because remember, guys, that a buyer is a buyer is a buyer. Okay, in the words of the great Dan Kennedy, a buyer is a buyer is a buyer. That means that if they purchase from you once and they have a great, they have a great experience, the chances of purchasing again from you, which is what you want, increases exponentially. Okay, so these are like the 4 stages of a super simple but super effective sales funnel. This works with warm traffic, traffic that is on your list, for example, or it's on your Facebook group or your LinkedIn group, whatever. It works for cold traffic if you're sending Facebook ads, etc., etc. And if you want to have a really cool way of understanding the numbers, meaning how much money you need to pay per opt-in, how much money you need to pay per click, how much money you will be making on this sales funnel, and most importantly, how to achieve your dream income by applying this kind of funnel, I really suggest that you download the free funnel calculator that I put together, that I use on a daily basis for my own business and for my clients, so that you know exactly how much money you need to pay per click, how much money per lead, how much money per sale in order to make the money that you want to make. Okay, so let's say that you want to make $10,000 a month or $50,000 a month or $200,000 a month. It doesn't really matter. It all comes down to the numbers. And I put together a really cool sales funnel calculator. It's completely free and you can download by clicking somewhere around this video. There's gonna be a link so that you can go in and click on that link, and then after an opt-in you can download the free sales funnel calculator. You can make a copy, you can download it, etc., etc. It's pretty cool. All right, guys, so with that said, I just wanted to leave you guys with this super simple 4-step or 4 stages sales funnel. It's really effective. It can bring a lot of money. You don't need anything else than this. This is the bare minimum that you want to have in order to make money online. And the reality is that then you can start getting fancy. You can invite people into a webinar. You can do chat box. You can do this and that. But you need to have these working in order for your company to be profitable. Okay, then you can experiment, but don't be that guy that goes chasing that shiny object because now chatbots are all the rage and whatnot. Just focus on the simple stuff, the proven stuff that converts, and this funnel structure has brought me a lot of the good stuff. Okay, and again, if you want to have a better understanding of how this works, you can get a copy of my book, Perpetual Profits. It's completely, it's super cheap. It's going to be around here as well. And get a hold of the sales funnel calculator. It's a super powerful tool to actually grow your business this year. Right, guys? So thank you once again for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them on the comment below. You can also join the free Facebook group. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.